In our last video, we should install the Xcode successfully. Now, let's try to create a simple iOS app without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. So we can search Xcode. Yeah. This is the screen when we launch Xcode for the first time. And on the left, there's an entry, create a new Xcode project. Click that. And accept the default. So a template for our new project iOS application, single view app. Now click the next button. Okay. Let's give it a name. So we'll create some color blocks today. So what about this name? Color blocks. Okay. So make sure you put something here. You can put anything here. For example, your name. And programming language, Swift. Don't use Object-C, which is an old programming language we used before. And the user interface, make sure you select storyboard. This is easier for us. Okay. Uncheck anything below it. Now click next. Color blocks. Well, I already have a color blocks here. Let me remove that. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. So you can put it anywhere. So this is my convenient location. I put it in the folder named y_x. Okay, that's it. The brand new runnable iOS application named Color Blocks. So let's prove it. It's runnable. So let's pick up a simulator. My favorite one is iOS iPad Pro 9.7-inch simulator. We simply click the top left black triangle to run it. You see, build and then run the current scheme. Boom. It takes a while to bring up the simulator for the first time. So be patient. Nice. Here we are. The iPad simulator. Cool. The empty screen. So it means everything works fine. We can start, create our own stuff. Now we can stop this running by clicking this button. And yeah, if we want to see both the simulator and the Xcode, we can do that. For example, like that. So we can see here is the simulator. We put it on the left, and we can, yeah. So now let's go to main storyboard here. So we have an iPhone template here, and we can use that, or we can select a different one by clicking the button View as iPhone 11. So click Device, and here iPad 9.7 inch. Yeah, you can use any one. Now let's make this higher, and we can click this button to hide the left hand panel. So move this in, click here again, we can hide that, so we have more space here. Now we can click the top right button, library, with a plus sign, and there are a lot of screen widgets like label, button we can add onto our screen. But today we'll only use something called view. It's just some rectangular shape here. Drag and drop. Drag and drop onto our design template. Yeah, we can move it around. We can change its background color on the right here. Make sure we are at this, click this icon, and background color. I use orange. Okay. Now let's design some color arc. Okay, like that. Let me add another one. Click this icon again and drag another one here. This time I use a different color, green. Okay, let's do overlapping. What about making it transparent, so we can change the alpha, make it less than 1. See, it's half transparent. Okay, cool. Let's grab another one. View, drag and drop. Again. Oh, let's make sure it's selected. And background color this time, purple, my favorite color. And yeah, overlapping. Let's run it. Ta-da! It's that easy. If you like, you can load this app onto your iPad or iPhone and you can see it on the device.